Imagine you're on a long road trip with your family, the kind where memories are made and laughter fills the air. You're the driver, the protector, the one responsible for steering everyone safely toward their destination, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey for all. But what if something unexpected happens to you, the driver? What if you're suddenly unable to continue the journey? Who takes the wheel then? Who ensures your loved ones reach their destination safely and securely? Thinking about these possibilities isn't morbid, it's simply practical and responsible. Securing your family's future isn't about chasing after complex or fancy financial products that promise unrealistic returns. It's about building a simple, strong, and reliable financial fortress that can withstand any storm. And what is the cornerstone, the very foundation of that fortress? It's term life insurance. Think of it as a financial bodyguard, a silent guardian for your loved ones, always there to protect them. It's affordable, powerful, and laser-focused on one crucial job: protection. Unlike complex plans that mix investment and insurance, often blurring the lines and adding unnecessary complexity, term insurance is pure, unadulterated protection. You pay a premium, a relatively small price for the immense peace of mind it provides, and if you pass away during the policy term, your family receives a large, pre-decided sum of money, a financial safety net when they need it most. No confusing jargon, no hidden charges lurking in the fine print, just straightforward, transparent security. You don't need to be wealthy or rich to leave a lasting legacy of love and security for your family. For the price of a simple dinner out, a small sacrifice, you can ensure your family's dreams and aspirations stay alive, even if you're no longer there to support them directly. It's primarily about replacing your income, that vital financial lifeline, when it's needed most. Not about getting rich overnight, but about ensuring your family doesn't face financial hardship or poverty in your absence. This is undeniably one of the most selfless and responsible financial decisions you can make for your loved ones. Today, we'll dive deep into the Axis Max Life Smart Secure Plus plan, a specific example of how these plans work. It's a modern term plan that's not only flexible, but also highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your unique needs and circumstances. These plans aren't just about a simple death benefit anymore. A one-size-fits-all approach is a thing of the past. They adapt and evolve to meet your changing family needs and life stages, offering a more comprehensive safety net. We'll break down its key features, explore the available riders, and explain the various options in detail, all without using any confusing bank speak or complicated financial jargon. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this particular financial bodyguard is the right fit for your family's financial fortress. So, let's get started on this important journey towards securing your family's future. The Axis Max Life Smart Secure Plus plan is a pure term insurance policy. It's designed to provide a safety net for your loved ones, ensuring their financial security in your absence. Simple, direct, and powerful. It offers peace of mind, knowing that your family will be taken care of, no matter what the future holds. You pay your premiums, and if something happens to you during the policy period, during the term of the policy, your nominee, your spouse, child, or parent, the people you care about most, receives the sum assured. This lump sum can help them maintain their lifestyle and achieve their dreams. It's designed to replace your income, providing a financial cushion during a difficult time, and keep your family's goals on track. From education to marriage, this plan helps secure their future aspirations. What sets this plan apart is its flexibility. It's not just a policy, it's a tailored solution. Like a modern car with extra features, it comes with a range of options to suit your specific needs. You can customize it to fit your life stage and budget, making it an affordable and relevant choice for everyone. Eligibility is broad, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. Indian residents aged 18 to 65 can apply, ensuring that most working-age adults can benefit from this plan, with coverage up to age 85 or even for life, providing long-term security and peace of mind. Policy terms range from a few years to a lifetime, allowing you to choose the duration that best suits your needs, letting you lock in low premiums when you're young, taking advantage of your good health and financial stability, or get crucial cover later in life. It's never too late to protect your family's future. Premium payment is flexible too, offering a variety of options to fit your budget. Pay annually, simplifying your financial planning with a single yearly payment. Finish payments by age 60, allowing you to enjoy your retirement without the burden of premium payments. Or choose limited pay options to get payments out of the way early, giving you more financial freedom in the long run. This flexibility means you can tailor the plan to your earning years and future needs, aligning your coverage with your financial goals. The plan adapts as your life changes, ensuring that your coverage remains relevant and adequate, ensuring your family's protection is always in place, providing a constant shield against life's uncertainties. It's not a one-size-fits-all policy. It's built for you, designed to meet your unique circumstances and aspirations. That's what makes it a true financial bodyguard, protecting your family's financial well-being with unwavering dedication. Let's see how you can customize it further. Discover the options available to create a plan that's perfectly tailored to your needs. The Axis Max Life Smart Secure Plus plan isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It understands that everyone's life and financial situation is unique. That's why it comes in variants, carefully designed to match your specific needs and aspirations. We believe in providing options that truly cater to your individual circumstances. The life cover variant is your classic straightforward term insurance, offering a simple promise. If you pass away during the term, your nominee receives the full sum assured, providing crucial financial security during a difficult time. Simple, effective, and reliable. But what if your needs change over time? The increasing life cover variant automatically boosts your cover each year, helping you keep up with inflation, rising living costs, and growing responsibilities as your family expands and your goals evolve. Now let's consider how the payout is structured. The Income Protector option splits the payout part lump sum, providing immediate financial relief, and part monthly income. Ideal for families who need steady, ongoing support to manage their monthly expenses, not just a one-time windfall. And the best part? You can even mix and match these payout options. Choose all lump sum for immediate needs, all monthly income for long-term security, or a combination that perfectly suits your family's unique circumstances. This level of customization empowers you to design the perfect safety net, tailored precisely to your family's needs and financial goals. Whether you want straightforward protection for a specific period or a plan that grows with you as your life evolves, there's a variant designed to fit every stage of life, from young adulthood to retirement planning. Modern term plans are all about choice and flexibility, ensuring you get the right cover amount, delivered in the right way through the right payout structure, and secured at the right time in your life. It's like building your own personalized financial armor, carefully constructed to protect your loved ones, piece by piece, ensuring comprehensive coverage. No more settling for a one-size-fits-all approach that doesn't truly address your unique needs. You're in control, empowered to make informed decisions. Next, let's delve into the specifics of how these payouts actually work in practice, and why understanding the payout process matters so much when planning your family's financial future. The heart of any term plan is the death benefit, the money your family receives if you're no longer around. With this plan, your nominee gets the sum assured, or the highest of a few regulatory calculations, ensuring a fair payout. You can choose a lump sum payout ideal for clearing big debts or opt for a monthly income, which mimics your salary and eases financial management. There's even an increasing income option where the monthly payout rises each year to fight inflation. For example, part of the benefit can be paid immediately, with the rest as a steady income for years. This flexibility means your family gets both immediate support and long-term stability. The plan's payout options are designed to match real-life needs, not just numbers on paper. It's about making sure your family's lifestyle and dreams stay protected, no matter what. That's true peace of mind. Think of riders as add-ons that supercharge your base policy. The critical illness rider pays a lump sum if you're diagnosed with a major illness, helping with treatment costs and income loss, without touching your family's main benefit. The accidental death rider gives an extra payout if death is due to an accident, boosting your family's protection for a small extra cost. The waiver of premium rider keeps your cover active if you're critically ill or disabled, waiving future premiums so your family's security isn't at risk. Some plans include a terminal illness benefit, paying out early if you're diagnosed with a terminal condition. Riders add value, but each comes at a cost, so choose based on your health, lifestyle, and family needs. Don't just tick every box, be strategic. The right riders can turn a good policy into a great one. Build a policy that's powerful but cost-effective. That's smart protection. Life isn't predictable, and your insurance shouldn't be rigid. The Premium Break feature lets you pause payments during tough times like job loss without losing cover. After a few years of regular payments, you can take a break for up to 2 years, giving you breathing room when you need it most. The Sum Assured Top-Up lets you increase your cover at key milestones: marriage, childbirth, or a new home without a new policy or medical exam. Your protection grows as your responsibilities do. These features make your policy resilient and adaptable, just like your life. No more worrying about outgrowing your cover or losing it during a crisis. The plan evolves with you every step of the way. That's what makes it truly smart and secure. Let's talk about what happens if you want to exit early. What if you want to exit the policy early? With pure term plans, there's usually no surrender value. Stop paying and the cover ends. That's why term plans are so affordable. No savings, just protection. If you choose the return of premium, ROP option, you can get your premiums back if you outlive the policy, and sometimes a partial refund if you exit early. Surrender values are usually low at first, so it's not a great deal for early exits. Loans aren't available on pure term plans since there's no cash value. The special exit value feature lets you walk away at a milestone like age 60 and get your premiums back even if the policy was meant to last longer. This gives you flexibility as your needs change in retirement. Term plans are about protection, not investment. But modern features give you more control. Choose what fits your life. So, is the Axis Max Life Smart Secure Plus plan right for you? Its biggest strength is flexibility. You can tailor the cover, payment term, and payout to your life. Features like premium breaks and special exit value are practical solutions for real-life challenges. Comprehensive riders add extra protection, but remember, more features mean higher premiums. If you want maximum cover for minimum cost, a basic term plan may be better. But if you value adaptability and want a plan that grows with you, this is a strong choice. It's ideal for young professionals and families who want a single flexible policy for all stages of life. The ability to top up cover and choose income payouts is perfect for changing needs. If you're on a tight budget, keep it simple. The best plan is one you understand, can afford, and that truly protects your family. Take your time, compare options, and make an informed decision. Your family's future deserves nothing less. Choose wisely.